The notions behind Ubuntu, when you distill them down, essentially they're those of a sense of being part of a greater collective. The idea that I exist because of you and because of what you are.
It means that no matter where you are, you will always take your heritage with you, but you are also influenced and supported by other people as well.
It means that I am and we are, to my practice.
We see each other mirrored in many ways, to different extents, in different facets. But nonetheless, to be able to see the humanity in each other is kind of a fundamental to the work that we do.
One of the reasons that I got into film was that when I looked at the box in my living room where most people got their information about the world from, I did not see me. It's relevant because the problems I had at the beginning of my career has still persisted.
And in many ways, this notion of making a bio-tapestry version of what people see in their everyday lives and how they encounter the world around them, to my mind, is very much about a reflection. Unlike the bio-tapestry, which is a description of victory from 1066, Norman Conquest, what we have here in 2025 is a new understanding of how we all live and work together. The world has seen incredible turmoil over the last 5 years. And the way in which we will come together to support each other is really, really inspiring.
I believe every day is Black history. And I certainly feel that because one of the series that I worked on in America was the history of the Civil Rights Movement. And it was also on BBC. And the series is now in every American school.
There really is no such thing as Black History Month. There is only history, and Black history is history. It's not a month, it's not a day, it's not a year. It's a permanent part of the development of mankind. It's at its root and the source of development of mankind. And so Ubuntu, I am because you are, is essentially the key description of what history and context tell us about ourselves. This realization that we are connected, this realization that we will always be connected, and that we have to make, in many ways, an association that goes beyond mere parts or short activities, something which is constant, which enriches us all. There's so much that we still have to learn and also to share. I think this is what Ubuntu means in relation to this month, but more than that, in relation to our lives, a permanent embodiment of the future.